In the market, you'll find many softwares that offer inventory, billing, and taxation. But along with all these features, they usually bring one big thing: complexity. So batch inventory is the best choice because it lets you manage inward and outward stock in a simple, straightforward way without the usual complications. You'll see we've already added many products, and now we'll show how to maintain stock using simple inward and outward entries. The process is very simple. Just a few quick steps and your stock stays accurate and up to date. To add an inward entry, click the inward option and search for the product. The same item will appear in the drop-down with its current stock count. Just select it. At first, you'll see the system-generated default batch. But for now, we'll create a new batch. Click Create Batch, enter the basic details for the new batch, and it will be added instantly. A very simple and easy process. Fill in the batch name, description, price, manufacturing date, and expiry date for the new batch. But only the batch name is mandatory. If you don't want to enter all details now, just add the batch name and save. You can always update the rest later. If you enter a batch expiry date, the system will alert you when the expiry is near. And once you click Create Batch, the new batch is created instantly. After that, just enter the quantity for this transaction and click Update to add the stock. You can re-enter the price for each transaction and add an optional remark if needed. Then click Update and the item is added to the cart. Quick, simple, and easy. The cart fills instantly, so you can finish stock entries without any hassle. You can add multiple items to the cart and update or delete them until you finalize. Then click Make Inward Transactions to complete the entry. You may assign a party on that screen if needed, but for now, we'll skip party assignment and finish the transaction. Quick and secure. Now you can see the inward transaction completed in seconds and the product's stock count updated immediately. Most importantly, stock is tracked batch-wise, so every batch's quantity and expiry details are maintained accurately. Batch-wise tracking and instant inward and outward entries keep your stock accurate in real time, prevent stockouts, speed up invoicing, and make audits much easier. With multiple warehouses and companies, expiry alerts, and controlled staff access, the system scales with your business and saves you hours of manual work every day. Now let's make an outward entry. The process is the same. Select the batch to reduce stock from and make sure that batch has enough quantity. Only then will the system allow the outward entry. If a batch doesn't have enough stock, the system will block the transaction and show current counts so you can choose another batch or adjust stock first, keeping your inventory accurate. We have limited stock, so reduce the quantity from the selected batch. Now the outward transaction can be processed. Click Make Outward Transaction, select the party for this entry, and the system will complete the transaction. For this transaction, the party will be attached, and the outward entry will update the stock count instantly. That's it. The software's core job is simple. Record inward and outward transactions to keep your stock correct and up to date. Now you can see the stock count has been updated, and it's tracked batch-wise for precise control. This software works both ways. Use batch-wise tracking or simple product-level tracking, whichever suits your business. Batch inventory is for people who don't want complicated software packed with billing and taxation. They just want clean, focused inventory management. It keeps things simple. Record inward, outward stock, track batches and warehouses, and manage your inventory without extra complexity. Connect with us today to get batch inventory for your business with a one-time affordable fee and unlimited usage. Also check out other videos on our channel to learn more and get the most out of batch inventory.